Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we are going to be making some amazing lemon poppy seed loaf. You are going to love this recipe. For our recipe today, we'll need 1 3/4 cups or 263 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 cup or 200 grams of white granulated sugar, a half a cup or 114 grams of salted butter, 2 large lemons, and if your lemons are smaller, use 3 instead, 3 large eggs, the zest from 2 lemons, 1/4 cup or 63 grams of milk, 1 tablespoon or 10 grams of poppy seeds, 2 teaspoons or 10 grams of baking powder, and our last ingredient, a half a cup or 125 grams of lemon juice. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. Into a large bowl, we'll put our all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour is also called plain flour in some countries. And then we'll add in our poppy seed and also our baking powder. And then you just want to mix that up. And then we'll add in our granulated sugar, our salted butter, and our lemon zest. And if you want things a little bit more sweet, you can add a little bit more sugar. Add in your eggs and continue to mix. And you'll notice how the eggs help with the creaming process. So before we go on to the next step, you want to make sure that you mix this very well until you get a very nice creamy texture. For our next step, we're going to alternate between the wet and dry ingredients. We'll start off with a little bit of our dry mixture, and then we'll add in a little bit of the lemon juice and the milk. Switching over to a wooden spoon really helps prevent overmixing. And then you just want to continue this process until all the ingredients are incorporated. And then for our last step, we'll add all of our batter into the cake tin. I have lined mine with parchment paper. If you don't want to use parchment paper, simply grease the pan and then pour the batter in. Total bake time, 55 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Let cool for 20 minutes, then remove it from the baking dish, and this will help it cool more rapidly. And then for an optional step, you can add in the lemon glaze. And if you want to see a recipe for the lemon glaze, I'll put a link at the end of this video and also under the video in the description box. And then, of course, for our last step, we have to cut into it. If you've never tried a lemon loaf like this, you have to try this recipe. You are going to fall in love. It's just simply awesome. All right, well, look at this. Look at this. Oh my. It smells amazing. You have to try this recipe. Oh, that is so good. That is amazing. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.